Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a DevOps developer. DevOps is a combination of software development and operation which focus on automating and streamlining the software development process. So DevOps is becoming an essential skills for developers and companies worldwide. So if you are interested in becoming a DevOps developer, this video is for you. The number one step is to become a DevOps developer. You have to learn the software development. To become a developer, you need to have a strong foundation in software development, learning programming languages such as Java, Python, Ruby, and others. Understanding these languages is crucial in building automated software development pipelines. The number two steps is learn cloud computing and virtualization. So the next step in becoming a developer is to learn cloud computing and virtualization. Cloud computing platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP, are widely used in DevOps. So understanding this platform and how to deploy application to the cloud is essential. Number three step is learn configuration management tools. Configuration management tools like Chef, Puppets, and Ansible are used to automate and managing infrastructure. So learning how to use this tool is crucial in building automated software development pipeline. Number four step is learn continuous integration and continuous delivery. Continuous integrations and continuous delivery are crucial concept in DevOps. CI focus on integrating code changes frequently, while CD focus on automating the development process. So learning how to use tools like Jenkins, Travis CI, and Circle CI is essential in building automated software development pipeline. So number fifth steps is learn containerization. Containerization is the process of running application in containers that are portable and can be run anywhere. Docker is the most popular containerization tool, and learning how to use it is essential in building automated software development pipeline. Number six steps is participating in DevOps communities. Join DevOps communities and forum to stay updated on the latest development in the DevOps technology. This will also help you to network with other developers and learners from their experience, and you will learn a great DevOps from other communities as well. So becoming a DevOps developer requires a strong foundation in software development, cloud computing and virtualization, configuration management, continuous integration, continuous delivery, and containerization. With the right resources and commitment, you can become a successful DevOps developer and build your career in this exciting field. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helpful in your journey to become a DevOps developer. Stay tuned for other videos about DevOps developers, how to become a blockchain developers, how to become a freelancers. So watch till end.